for that. I'm gonna mention, mabilisan lang dapat to, Sek, ha? Certain issues, and then just give me one-liners on your position or thoughts that you might have about it. Okay? Some of this na-discuss na natin kanina. Okay, Sek. First, ABS-CBN shutdown.
Up to Congress.
Death penalty.
Against.
Divorce.
For.
Okay, for divorce. Okay, legalization ng use of medical marijuana.
In favor.
COVID-19 pandemic response.
Very good.
Drug war.
Good.
Okay, federalism.
Neutral.
Neutral. Okay, China policy.
Supportive of the independent foreign policy.
Okay, West Philippine Sea.
That's the Philippines.
Okay, the so-called Imperial Manila.
True.
True. Do you want it to not be like that and expand to provinces? Anong thoughts niyo dyan? I'm curious.
That's why I would have supported Inday Sara for president. I think a competent Mindanaoan should be in Malacanang to rectify the social injustice brought about by Imperial Manila.
Okay. Red tagging.
Bad.
Bad. Well, ito related. NTFL ka. Talagang related.
Defensible.
Okay. Internet connectivity. You have a bill ng free wifi, di ba? Nako, I think wala naman nangyari dun sa free wifi sa public spaces also. Internet connectivity.
Palpakang implementation. But yes,
Okay.
that's my law.
Working from home.
I can't do it. I always fall asleep from home.
Okay. Celebrities turned politicians.
Ay, nako. Gumawa na lang kayo ng sine.
Ay, grabe. Okay. Boxers.
Mag-retire na lang kayo in peace.
Okay, ito and last. Laila De Lima.
Enjoy your jail time.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.